Got some of this marble mystery oil. Don't know what's in it. It's a mystery. Sparkulators! Gotta get you out! Gotta get you out! Ow! It is locked up then. And it is locked tighter. This is a guy's Jaguar. It's a mystery. There's definitely one in there. You really want to be wearing a mask when you're doing this? And probably some eye protection. Drink up, little buddy. Danger! Fuel the motor tree. We'll let it cook. Did it stop? Oh, it is colder than the North Pole in here. And I ain't kidding you. Ooh, revolution! Where's my doodah? Nice man! Wonder what Big Chief from Street Outlaws is doing. She was running richer than Bill Gates and Elon Musk.